Happy Memorial Day. Did you know that back in the mid-1800s, Memorial Day was known as Decoration Day? It was named that because after the Civil War, people gathered on this day to decorate the graves of fallen soldiers. So to honor all the men and women who gave of their lives so we can live in freedom, we created a decorative dessert in their memory. After cutting a blueberry pie into slices, we cut each slice into chunks. As for the pie, that can be a frozen one that we cook and cool, or a pre-baked one. Now, to build our parfaits, we place a piece of the pie in the bottom of each parfait glass and top them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. On top of that goes another layer of pie, more ice cream, and a dollop of whipped cream or whipped topping. And to make these patriotic, we drizzle on some strawberry ice cream topping and finish it with a strawberry and an American flag. What a nice and refreshing change of pace dessert to add to your Memorial Day or any day's dessert lineup. So don't skip a beat. Go online and get the recipe for what we call Patriotic Blueberry Pie Parfaits. This way you'll have a decadent and decorative dessert on hand to kick off summer. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we honor those who served in our military and gave of themselves so we can live a life filled with lots of, ooh, it's so good.